These courgettes were grown about 10 minutes ago. From my garden into this risotto. Risotto has its reputation. Difficult, temperamental, and chefy. It's not. It's 20 minutes of attention, and I'm going to show you exactly what to pay attention to. Hello guys, I'm Steve and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to make a risotto with courgettes straight from the garden. First, I want to seal courgette rounds in the base of a pan on high heat. This will take about 1 minute, and when they're coloured, we're going to remove them and leave them to the side for later. Now we build the risotto base. Onion or shallot over a gentle heat. We don't want to colour them, we're building sweetness, not frying. The onions are done when they're soft. This should take about 3 minutes. Next, we add in some thyme and some diced garlic and sweat this off for a further minute. We add our rice in, dry. This is toasting, and here's what you're listening for. Give it a minute and the grains start to click against the pan. That click means they're ready to drink. Now we add our white wine. It'll vanish fast, but that's fine. Now I'm adding some diced courgette to help add some flavour to the base. We want to season the base with salt and pepper. When the white wine has been absorbed, we want to add a ladle of hot stock and stir. We'll fall into a rhythm. Ladle of hot stock, stir, let it absorb, next ladle. For risotto, you don't have to stir constantly, you just have to be there. Stir often, keep it moving, but it's not a punishment. When the grains look like this, they're done. To test it though, taste it. The grain should be tender with the tiniest resistance in the centre. Not chalky, just there. Next is the most important step in the risotto, the Mantecutra. Off the heat, we add cold butter and parmesan. We beat it, properly beat it. This is what makes risotto creamy, not cream, this. As the butter and cheese emulsify in, it'll change from this to this. We add in more diced courgette near the end so that they keep their bite and add more flavour. We can test the viscosity by dragging a spoon down the middle of the pan. It should come back together like two slow waves embracing. And now we plate it. We want to plate and tap the bottom and watch. It should relax into a wave. Finally, we'll top the risotto with the coloured courgette from earlier and some crumbled feta. And look at that. You've just made a lovely creamy risotto with courgette straight from the garden. Beautiful. Thank you for joining me today guys. I had a lot of fun. If you guys learned something and you want to see more, then please subscribe and I shall see you in the next one. Thank you, bye.